How to add another Instagram account on one device. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add another Instagram account on one device. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. However, if you don't have that update button, you may now open the Instagram app. Once you have opened the Instagram app, there are actually two ways in adding another Instagram account. So the first one is by going to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then by simply clicking on your username found on the upper left corner of the screen. So whenever you click that, you may be able to see all of your accounts, or you may also click on add account right here. So once you click on add account, you may click on log into existing account or create a new account. And then for the second option, you may also go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen, go to settings, scroll down a little bit, and click on add account right here. And then the same pop-up will appear which says log into existing account or create a new account. If you want to log into existing account, simply click on it and then you may type in now your phone number, username, or your email. So for example, I will type in my username right here and then you should type in your password right here. And then make sure to click on login or go right here, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can add another Instagram account on one device. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.